Alright, so right now we're just kind of going through, trying to find some designs. Pinterest is the best spot to get ideas, or even free PNG or SVG files. Hey guys, welcome back to Smiling Design Co. Today, I'm going to be working on a couple cups. We're going to put some decals on. I'm going to do the sizes around 3.5 to 4 inches for the width and height. I think that'll be perfect for the cup. Okay, so now that we have our images ready to be cut, this one I'm going to do 3.4 by 3.9, and then this one we're going to do 4 by 2. Okay, so now that we got all of our different colors on here where we want the designs to be cut at, go ahead and cut it.
Gonna hit the I-5, it won't be no shock. I've been planning for a while now, no sign tell me stop. One day we gon' climb your top 5, grow it every drop. On that you just
now let's go ahead and read our images.
Now I just need to do the red for the background of this. Alright, so now that we have the red on here, let's go ahead and get it cut real quick. Okay, so now let's weed our background for the red. Now here's the red for the background. So now what you want to do is you want to get contact paper and apply it to all your decals. You want to use this to get all the air bubbles out. Now you want to peel it. Alright, so the glitter paper is not sticking to my contact paper. It's just being a pain, so I'm just going to change it to normal black. Alright, so let's start with our first design. Stay humble, hustle hard. The best thing to do is cut little slits in it so it'll fit properly. You want to grab your little scraper and get all the air bubbles out again. Okay, so here's our first cup. Okay, so now I just cut out that normal black color instead of the glitter. Alright, so now that I got my background right here and the lettering that's going to go on top, just go ahead and put it on there. Now let's get ready and go ahead and put on our decal. Make sure you cut a bunch of slits so it fits better on the cup. You want to get a scraper, you want to get all the air bubbles out. Just like that, you got a nice little cup. 0 o'clock.